What's up? Aidoan here. Today I'm gonna show you what you can cook for $1 in Russia. It will be a baked chicken wings and a baked potatoes. I welcome you to the Russian kitchen. Way too much stuff and all the equipment. For example, this oven! It's very old, like 40 years old, like me. Just kidding. Actually, you can bake potatoes in its cover, but this one is not trustworthy, so it's very suspicious. And decided to clean every potato I get. Oh, it's not ready. I don't know about you, but I enjoy cooking. These dark dots supposed to go away. This is my second attempt in preparing baked potatoes, and now I know the secret. You have to cut the potato in a couple of pieces, otherwise it is so big it won't be baked. All potatoes are cut. Now it's time for chicken wings. Some salt, pepper, teriyaki sauce. Delicious. Ooh. My meal is almost ready. I'm gonna put the products into the oven. It was produced in 1971. That's actually means that this thing is 50 years old. Oh my god! By the way, this is a temperature indicator. It's a gas stove and you'll need a very long matches to fire it up. This cooking method, well, it requires some patience, but in a couple of hours the meal for one will be ready. Yeah. I'm just kidding. As the oven warms up, it's time to put all the food onto the baking tray. Baking paper. Perfect cut. First one in! Now it's chicken time! The question is, how long should you wait till the food is ready? Well, now I'm not sure about that. So I'm gonna check the food. Yeah, I'm gonna check the chicken and the potatoes, and yeah, the risk of it is that I'm gonna eat some raw chicken and raw potatoes, but the true food expert afraid nothing. And I think our meal is ready. Oh my god. chicken wings. They look like they're over-fried, but that's optical illusion. Optical illusion, yeah, they're perfectly made. I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. The final touch. Oh my god, it is delicious! The biggest secret of all chiefs is not to show if you overcooked something. So, see ya!